Meme coins are back, and they are back in full swing. Guys, Top G doing over $250 million in volume over the last 24 hours. If that is not a signal that the meme coin market is back, I don't know what to tell you. Roaring Kitty and GameStop making headlines when you type in the word meme into Google. These are excellent times to be alive. Now, I know the overall market might be pulling back a little bit, but when you see meme coins soaring the way that they are, it means that cryptocurrency investors are willing to get risky. And when they're willing to get risky, they buy the smallest of the small. They buy the newest of the new. And that's why things like Play Doge could also see major gains along this meme coin mania. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro. And as you can see, we got Play Doge on the screen right now. Now listen, Play Doge is a brand new presale. We're going to be talking about it in a second here. Very easy to buy. So if at any time during the video you guys want to buy it, make sure to utilize the link in the description below. It's going to pull you up to the correct website, and you're gonna be good to go to connect your wallet and all of that stuff. But I want to start here. I want to start here with the Google Trends, I guess, analytics of the word crypto. You can see right now that retail investors, their interest, or their search interest in crypto at least, is at the bear market lows. Now, we had a nice little run back in March when cryptocurrency prices were going up 2, 3, 4x. And of course, we're right back down to where we were, levels of 13, 14, 15. The bear market lows of 13, 14, 15 are what we have seen from retail investors. Now, more recently, if you go out and Google meme coins, you can see that Roaring Kitty, GameStop, and now Top G are taking the headlines and causing a lot of stir in the cryptocurrency space. Now, if you look at Top G today, it is doing over $250 million in volume on the Solana blockchain just in the last 24 hours. Now, that should be a very nice indicator that meme coin investors are back, and they are back with a lot of money, and they are back to make a lot of money. Now, with that being said, I do think that Play Doge is gearing up to be one of the leaders in this upcoming bull market rally. Why? Not only does it have a beautiful meme status of the Doge, it's got the retro or 90s nostalgia that hits very hard with cryptocurrency investor demographics, and it is very easy to buy, and it's going to be available on the BNB blockchain, making it very cheap as well. So if you come out and you want to grab it worth Ethereum, you're going to be grabbing 714,000 with one Ethereum worth. USDT, you can come over here with 1,000 USDT, and you're going to be walking away with 198,000. Play Doge. Now, you can buy on the BNB network as well. It is completely up to you which blockchain you do buy on, but it is going to be claimable and tradable on the Binance blockchain there. So what is it? It is a play to earn game, and you guys can go through their website and get all of the information if you want. But just take a look at the graphics, right? Extreme 90s retro nostalgia. It is going to hit hard with a lot of people, and that's why they've already sold out $3.2 million worth of Play Doge. Its demand is resonating with the crypto demographic. Now, once they begin developing this Tamagotchi-style app that is going to be available on Android and iOS, it is going to be a play-to-earn game. So by taking care of your Doge, you're going to be earning Play Doge. On top of that, you're going to have mini games. You can see here they've got a little Space Invaders style mini game that they are working on, and the mini game beta is going to take place in round 3 of their roadmap. And then in phase 4, that's when you're going to see the full mini game launch and of course the Play Doge app release, being available on both Android and iOS. You guys can come down here and see that the tokenomics are broken down as follows: 50% to the pre-sale, 6.5% to community rewards, 11.5% to liquidity, 10.5% to marketing, 10.5% to project funds, and 12% going to staking rewards. Guys, take a look at staking rewards right now. 97% on an annualized basis. Already 193 million Play Doge have been staked. Now, to continue on with the website down here, if you're still unsure how to connect your wallet and buy, it is very simple to follow this step-by-step tutorial. Or, of course, you can just simply click Connect Wallet at the top of the screen on the widget there. But get your questions answered first. They do a very good job of answering the frequently asked questions. But a lot of people want to know when and where they can claim their Play Doge. It is going to be claimable on the BNB blockchain, so you are going to need some BSC in your wallet, and it is going to be claimable when the pre-sale ends. So when is the pre-sale going to end? Guys, they're set up to do roughly 40 different stages or 40 different price increases during this pre-sale. So it might last several weeks, but if it continues to sell out at this pace right here, it is going to move by beautifully. And if this demand continues on until after the release stages, if this demand continues on after Play Doge is launched, it is going to cause the liquidity pool to fill up so quickly and the token price to soar, which is why I bought in. Now, guys, you don't have to go out there and buy in because I bought in. I just wanted to let you know that I do believe in what these guys are building. I believe in the pre-sale, and I believe in the volatility on launch day, right? It is an excellent opportunity to go out there, trade, make some quick money, and leave some for the rest of the development of what they're building here. And I think Play Doge is an excellent opportunity that takes place during the beginning of an awesome bull market run, with presidential candidates talking about crypto, retail investors just beginning to dip their toes back into the crypto space. Play Doge has way too much potential for me to pass up. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.